All right, guys, this video is for giving you an update on USD JPY. USD JPY since March 2nd has been trading mostly between 157 and 158. And it looks like the recent driver for USD JPY is rising energy prices, which is causing pressure on Japan. Japan depends a lot on energy imports. And we all know that the energy prices has been badly impacted and has been rising ever since the beginning of this US-Iran war. On the other hand, the broader economic data in the US is supporting US dollar. For example, if you look at the recently released ISM services PMI and ADP non-farm payroll, both data were better than the forecast. And as long as the US data will keep beating the forecast and energy prices will keep rising, there is still a question mark on whether or not USD JPY will be able to pull back downward, despite intervention risk from the Bank of Japan. So we need more confirmation for the pullback. And like I said in the previous video, we need rather than looking for any opportunity to take a sell position, we rather need to wait for the pullback to the downside to any significant support level and further look for buy entry. It looks like the ongoing situation, the geopolitical tensions, because of this US-Iran war is not going to be finished anytime soon. So if we look at the support areas and if we plan to buy from the support areas rather than thinking of selling, it will be much better idea. So now let me talk about the support areas which we need to look for. The very first support is 156.83, which is the uptrending line started in the month of February. And if 156.83 is clearly broken on 4-hour time frame, in other words, if any candle closes very well below 156.83 on 4-hour time frame, it will be considered a clear breakout. And then the next level will be 155.64, which is, it can be 6465, 155.64. That is a 50 days simple moving average. So if we will keep looking for these two areas and we will keep looking for whether or not USD JPY bounces back from these areas and give us any significant price action, bullish price action, making any candle pattern or chart pattern between half an hour and 4-hour time frame. These time frames are good enough for taking short-term swing trades in USD JPY. Coming to further understanding of how we will trade, so we will not simply depend on any price action given from the support area. We'll also look at the primary driving factors in near term, which are number one, Bank of Japan intervention risk, number two, US economic data, and number three, obviously, is the energy prices induced by recent US-Iran war. So that's all in short for USD JPY. If you want to get detailed analysis of USD JPY, please go